So now I will tell this is the importance of finance function. The first one will identify need of finance. It means to start a business, you need to know how much is required to open it. So the finance function helps you know how much the initial capital is, how much of it you have, and how much you need to raise. The second one, identify sources of finance. Once you know what need to be raised, you look at areas you can raise these functions from. You can borrow or get from various shareholders. Third one, comparison of various sources of finance. After identifying various fund sources, compare the cost and risk involved. Then choose the best source of financing that suit your business needs. Last one, investment. Once the fund are raised, it is time to invest them. Investment decision should be done in a manner that a business gets higher returns. Cost of funds procurement should be lower than the return on investment. This will show a wide investment was made. Next, what are the functions or financial function involves in a business? The first one, ensure enough fund at a reasonable rate or reasonable cost. That means to use optimum cost or utilizing optimum cost, you can raise enough fund. Second one, ensure the safety of funds. That means the fund should be secured. Third one, ensure efficient, effective, and profitable utilizations of funds. Fourth one, ensure that finance fund does not remain idle. It can be utilized in any other field. Fourth one, to ensure adequate return on investment. Next one, to generate and build up surplus for expansion and growth. That means if a business can create a profit, it, by this profit, a business can be expanded or growth of the business can be increased. Next one, to minimize cost of capital by developing a sound and economic combination of corporate activities. Next one, to incorporate the activity of finance department with the activities of other department of the firm. So these are the topic which I am discussing here. I'm ending my today's discussion here. If you have any doubt, please tell me by writing in our online Google Classroom. And today I will give an assignment to you that will be submitted in by next week before quiz day. Thank you.